Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn off your TOSCIDO, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. When you see Android robot laying down on the screen, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then select Factory Data Reset, and after you see the message Data Wipe Complete, you can select the first option Reboot System Now to restart your device, and it will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.